I dulled up my blade and hit a rock, and I don't feel like sharpening it, so I'm going to take the chain off. So I'm going to loosen these two. Put that off to the side. I put cardboard under here because you are going to have some oil that's coming off of this. Now, we got the new chain. This is a 20-inch Craftsman. It's part number 713-05044. I'll put it in the description below. But it has 78 teeth. It's 0.325 inch. So you want to make sure that all matches up. So it's a 20-inch, 0.325 inch for the pitch. And we'll put that on here next. So I always like to just match everything up. Cutting side goes forward on the top and towards the person on the back. Alright, so the chain goes this way. Move that bar back a little bit, relieve some tension. We're just going to pull that chain off. Alright. Okay. That one's done. Put the new one on. So all I'm doing is laying that chain into the bar. We'll tighten this up once we get the cover back on. Line up the two bolts. Okay. That seems good. It's going to loosen up a little bit once I run it. So we'll check back in a few minutes once it runs. Okay. Alright, so we'll go take it out, give it a shot. That's how you change your chainsaw. And if you want to change your tension a little bit, come in here. You basically turn it left and right to loosen or tighten it. Give it about 15 minutes and then readjust. Alright, well thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.